how you can make Dreadbear and Gacha online. Elizabeth, well, she was hard to make, so I didn't want to use a tutorial because I didn't feel like, so I just had to do a new tutorial. So don't get mad that one of your suggestions didn't get chosen just because it was hard to make. Listen, it's not very good to make characters like these, and plus they're hard. So let's just quit the talking and get over with it. So head AC. Head AC 3162. Head AC 1 3163. Real hair 61. Shirt 1. Oh! Free TV is on. Freak. What are you talking about? Shirt 1. Word party. Shirt 1. I don't even know what. Okay. Alright, forget it. I'm just gonna change it. I changed it into 3100 and 351. That means that one. Sleeves 73. Pants 23. Shoe 4122. Pupils 999. Drop 1100 and 101. No, 9. Yeah, of course, 9. Almost forgot about the hat. So the hat, this is easy. The hat is 4763. And you're finished. Here's the color, the pupils color, and here's the outline. And you're finished. Nope. I wasn't saying when I finish. We're making Mr. Cupcake too. Also, it was pretty hard making him, so please don't hate. I'm never really good at making these characters again. So, cape 40, glasses 4 for the teeth, face AC 34, wings 1 2021. Wings 2 for the other one, and back hair 36. That's for the plate. Pupils 999 again. Anyway, since you got that through, here's the color. Here's the color for that. for that. Pupils color. Wings color. And the eyes is 33. And you guys are finished.